To troubleshoot Bill.com API documentation. Start by reviewing the API endpoint you are trying to access. Ensure you have the correct API key and authentication credentials. Check the API documentation for any specific requirements or restrictions on API usage. Next, verify that your API request is properly formatted. Check the HTTP method, URL, headers, and request body to ensure they match the API documentation. Use tools like Postman or curl to test and debug your API requests. Identify the error message or response code you are receiving. Bill.com API documentation provides a list of possible error codes and their meanings. Use this information to diagnose the issue and adjust your API request accordingly. Check the API documentation for any rate limits or quotas on API requests. If you are exceeding these limits, you may need to adjust your API usage or contact Bill.com support for assistance. Test your API request in a development environment before moving to production. This will help you identify and fix any issues before they affect your live application. Use logging and debugging tools to track API requests and responses. This will help you identify any issues and troubleshoot problems more efficiently. Review the Bill.com API documentation regularly for updates and changes. API endpoints and requirements can change, and staying up to date will help you avoid issues and ensure compatibility. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot Bill.com API documentation and resolve any issues that arise. Remember to stay organized, methodical, and patient when troubleshooting, and don't hesitate to contact Bill.com support if you need further assistance.